It turned out to be genuinely the fundamental article that visited our place inside the planetary structure from outside the planetary gadget. It moved superfluously quick to at any point make certain to the Sun, the by and large first article that we have seen coming to us from interstellar area. From indisputable regions, people were researching space at some stage during current numerous years, regularly with ones that go to the farthest wraps up of the Sun contraption and past toying matters that we can't with a standard telescope. The general thought is that these things exist. They're there in the locale, and we ought to continue to find them. However, with the production of Oumuamua, all of that changed. The awesome Voyager from significant area has been attempted masses during the latest 2 or 3 weeks. This thing is essentially a piece of one another nearby planetary device that was eliminated anyway. The James Webb Telescope has seen as the fundamental certified picture of the entirety beast and has chosen things that no individual seen coming to be a piece of us as we dig more significant into this picture and the way the disclosure of Oumuamua has affected the universe of advancement in space. Oumuamua is a strange and fascinating article, no request. It rose out of the profundities of room and made the complete overall for totally out of nowhere. While the article became asserted without question, everyone expected to find out about it due to the reality not the slightest bit like this had at any point been tracked down earlier than this broad stoga-shaped pioneer showed up in our close by means of planetary machine from a far-off place beyond our own. It's far essentially a remarkable interstellar traveler wandering through the vastness of room to pay us a short visit. Its express appearance, which appears to be a slim stogie or, as I love to think of it, an endless needle, makes it not the least bit like something we've experienced before. This high-quality disclosure changed into housekeeper on October 19, 2017, when the Dish Stars 1 telescope in Hawaii investigated the night sky and seen the presence of Oumuamua. It changed. It changed into an exceptional occasion as this cleared the underlying time stargazers examined an article starting from outside our planetary contraption. Fundamentally more crazy changed into reality that it fundamentally made it to the degree that our planetary system furthermore changed into headed on the double toward Earth. UA's look was very conceivable of the best thing that had at any point happened, and it transformed into earnest to dive further into it since it regarded a lot of like the best approach to opening the advantaged experiences and procedures of our expansive ecological factors. This is the explanation, a veritable picture of its far ARG deal. At any rate, a picture isn't reliably where they are going to, for all analysts have made plans to use the perceived James Webb Space Telescope for considering interstellar things as they avoid through our closed by BIP planetary contraption. Being the fundamental of its sort, the telescope's extraordinary qualities lie in its ability to gather and look at infrared light, making it a crucial device for this particular examination. Equipped with cutting-edge absurd decision and over-the-top responsiveness devices, the Webb telescope has an incredible potential to see things that are unnecessarily old, remote, or feeble for different telescopes to perceive. This uncommon responsiveness and power make an accurate and open entryway for scientists to bounce significantly into the insider realities of interstellar contraptions, revealing their compound plan and revealing their genuine core. All of that is incredibly challenging to study from Earth in the event that you simply take a gander at the things without completely getting an incredibly immaculate perspective on them. The James Webb Space Telescope's high-level bunch of infrared cameras gives an additional layer of exactness to the photo of interstellar gadgets. With its prevalent period, the telescope can convey frustrated nuances depicting those fascinating great Voyagers as they project inside our observational reach. So regardless of whether you are not getting certifiable photographs which can be in one piece, it can gather masses if no more loads of pictures altogether to make one uber picture that has each unmarried part you will anytime desire to look, since it's light fit for getting the most diminutive and by and large tricky components of those interstellar articles. The Webb telescope permits analysts to direct huge examinations and resolve the privileged insights that lie hidden inside the profundities of the universe. Anyway, this is just the start. The Webb telescope certainly pushes the cutoff points of assessment by means of allowing analysts to track down the profundities of the region at scales and brightness ranges that have been previously incomprehensible, opening up a domain, all things considered, thought about empowering sensible requests and growing the imperatives of our fitness and skill of the universe. Thus, they picked the James Webb Telescope over the Panars 1 telescope for this examination. That doesn't suggest that the Panars 1 telescope isn't exceptional at what it does undeniably. Both are astonishing. The College of Hawaii's Container Stars 1 telescope remains as a significant grandiose instrument situated on the most elevated point of Halaka on the delightful island of Maui, Hawaii. With its 1.8 m opening, This telescope expects to be an essential part in the Unpleasant Container Stars project, a helpful effort involving respected foundations, for example, the College of Hawaii Organization for Stargazing, MIT Lincoln Research Facility, Maui Elite Execution Registering Center, and Science Applications Worldwide Company. At its core, the PANARS-1 telescope is depended with investigating the sky for transient magnificent things like space rocks and comets and planning the planet Ares structure thoroughly. Its wide-field imaging abilities and forefront development make it a huge asset in the mission to find and grasp the universe. The telescope is planned for wide-field cosmic imaging, giving a broad point of view on space. Its fundamental mission is to lead intensive investigations of the night sky, getting the greatness of heavenly articles in optical frequencies from faraway frameworks and going cloud to spellbinding comets and space rocks. The telescope energetically checks impacts the universe, recording the supernatural occurrences that populate our huge universe. To endure the huge volume of data gathered during these studies, the PANARS-1 telescope depends on the refined PS1 picture dealing with pipeline. This high-level programming thus processes and analyzes colossal proportions of observational data, removing huge pieces of information and engaging space specialists to make groundbreaking disclosures. The power of state-of-the-art estimations and computational methodology get together to expect a basic part in uncovering the mysterious privileged insights inside the cosmic superb pictures got by PANARS-1. One of the most astonishing components of the PANARS-1 telescope is its obligation to the Container Stars Close Earth Object Review. This forceful undertaking base is on intentionally analyzing the entire sky north of declination -47.5 to persistently searching for close Earth fights that could address a possible opportunity to our planet. It was the first to find Oumuamua. The first investigators were questionable, likely by bungle, that an approaching space rock was going towards Earth when Oumuamua was first perceived orbiting the Sun. The hidden notion was that it was a standard space rock, as is a significant part of the time the case with various unidentified spaceflights. Its appearance and lead showed up consistent with that, gathering leading space specialists to arrange it as such. Later, all it appeared as an amazing stone going through the planetary system, a standard sight in affected insights. In any case, as scientists began to process and break down the data collected from UUA, it quickly ended up being clear that this interstellar explorer was something nevertheless normal. Its remarkable characteristics gone against essential request, instigating researchers to reevaluate their basic assumptions. Not by any stretch like standard space rocks, UUA showed one-of-a-kind features that put it aside from any heavenly article beforehand seen. Perhaps the most striking piece of UUA was its lengthy shape, reminiscent of a thin stogie or a monster needle. This unprecedented morphology tested existing models of heavenly thing improvement and headway, raising issues about the cycles responsible for trim Oumuamua structure. Notwithstanding its lengthy shape, Oumuamua moreover exhibited fast upheaval, turning on its turn at a rate curiously speedy for a common space rock. This speedy wind furthermore perceived OM from known divine bodies also, added to the secret encompassing its starting. Other than UUA showed huge brilliance varieties as it gone through space, recommending heterogeneity in its surface design or on the other hand reflectivity. These progressions in splendor fished cosmologists with critical pieces of information into Oumuamua structure and genuine properties, offering enamoring signs about its interstellar beginnings. As scientists jump more significant into the assessment of OM data, they revealed extra anomalies that tested ordinary clarifications. Its bearing through our close-by-planet bunch went off from the average methods of comets and space rocks, suggesting a complex trade of gravitational powers and various components at play. The disclosure of Oumuamua ignited serious consistent discussion and speculation, with experts proposing various speculations to get a handle on its confounding components. Some suggested that Oumuamua could be a part dashed away from a bigger body in a distant star system, while others proposed twirling powers as the instrument behind its broadened shape. No matter what these proposed factors, vulnerabilities in regards to Oumuamua's genuine substance endured, highlighting the necessity for extra assessment and understanding. The item's fast section through our planetary gathering gave a fascinating and captivating opportunity for space specialists to concentrate on an interstellar visitor extremely close, offering huge pieces of information into objects beginning from past our own planetary gathering. In the years since Oumuamua's area, stargazers have expanded attempts to recognize and study interstellar articles, seeing their significance for propelling our perception of the universe. The approaching farewell of the James Webb Space Telescope promises to modify our ability to study and examine distant radiant bodies, opening new unsettled areas in the examination of the universe. Thinking about this instrument's capacity to recover data from 28 billion light-years away, it will be more than prepared for get-together data from the Pegasus star gathering, which is only 700 light-years from Earth. However, do you think about the James Webb Space Telescope is genuinely up for the undertaking? Absolutely. Here's a continuation of the text without headings. The College of Hawaii's Dish Stars 1 telescope, arranged on Maui's Halaka finish, assumes an essential part in the Skillet Stars project. Its 1.8 m hole enables broad sky outlines, fundamental for spotting transient heavenly objects like space rocks and comets. By cautiously arranging the planetary structure, the telescope gets the universe's various marvels from far-off universes to turning nebulae. Arranged with cutting-edge imaging advancement, PANAR's 1 cycles gigantic proportions of data through its advanced picture-taking care of pipeline. This enables cosmologists to eliminate huge encounters and make significant divulgences, updating how we could decipher the universe. Of essential piece of PANAR's 1's mission is its obligation to the near-object review, deliberately checking the sky for objects that could address a risk to Earth. It was during one of these outlines that Oumuamua, an interstellar visitor, was first recognized. At first mistook for a standard space rock, Oumuamua's unconventionalities before long became clear. Its broadened shape and speedy turn tested traditional clarifications, affecting analysts to reconsider existing models of heavenly thing advancement. As investigators examined Oumuamua's data, they uncovered seriously bewildering components like its astonishing brightness varieties and deviation from normal comet and space rock bearings. The object's speedy area through our sunlight-based framework gave an uncommon entryway for close discernment, provoking serious coherent discussion and hypothesis about its starting and nature. Some proposed it might be a segment sent off from a distant star structure, while others proposed twirling powers as a forming instrument. No matter what these theories, vulnerabilities endured, highlighting the prerequisite for extra assessment. UU's endeavor highlighted the importance of perusing up interstellar articles for driving cognizance. In the years since its revelation, space specialists have continued to separate data assembled during its visit, needing to open the privileged insights of its start and creation. The impending farewell of the James Webb Space Telescope commitments to change our ability to focus on distant superb bodies. With its cutting-edge advancement, the telescope will jump further into the mysteries of the universe, stretching the boundaries of sensible examination. However, the multifaceted nature of Oumuamua and other interstellar things presents a monumental test. Simply through helpful undertakings and went before investigation could we anytime want to loosen up the privileged insights of these tremendous pioneers and acquire a more significant appreciation of our place in the universe. The College of Hawaii's Dish Stars 1 telescope, situated on Maui's Halaka summit, plays a crucial role in the Pan-STARRS project. With its 1.8 m aperture, this telescope facilitates extensive sky surveys, essential for detecting transient celestial objects like asteroids and comets. By meticulously scanning the celestial sphere, the telescope captures a wide array of phenomena, ranging from distant galaxies to swirling nebulae. Equipped with state-of-the-art imaging technology, Pan-STARRS processes vast amounts of data through its advanced image processing pipeline. This enables astronomers to extract significant insights and make groundbreaking discoveries, revolutionizing our understanding of the universe. One of the pivotal aspects of Pan-STARRS' mission is its commitment to the Near-Earth Object Survey, meticulously scanning the sky for objects that could pose a threat to Earth. It was during one of these surveys that Oumuamua, an interstellar visitor, was first identified. Initially mistaken for a conventional asteroid, Oumuamua's peculiarities soon became apparent. Its elongated shape and rapid rotation challenged conventional explanations, prompting researchers to reconsider existing models of celestial object formation. As scientists delved deeper into Oumuamua's data, they uncovered more perplexing features, such as its dramatic brightness variations and deviation from typical comet and asteroid trajectories. The object's swift passage through our solar system provided a unique opportunity for close observation, sparking intense scientific debate and speculation about its origin and nature. Some proposed it could be a fragment ejected from a distant stellar system, while others suggested gravitational forces or tidal effects as possible shaping mechanisms. However, despite various theories, uncertainties persisted, underscoring the need for further investigation. Oumuamua's visit underscored the importance of studying interstellar objects for advancing our understanding of the cosmos. In the years since its discovery, astronomers have continued to analyze data collected during its passage, hoping to unlock the secrets of its origin and composition. The impending retirement of the James Webb Space Telescope holds the promise of revolutionizing our ability to study and analyze distant celestial bodies. With its cutting-edge technology, the telescope will delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, pushing the boundaries of scientific inquiry. However, the complexity of Oumuamua and other interstellar objects poses a formidable challenge. Only through collaborative efforts and comprehensive research can we hope to unravel the mysteries of these cosmic pioneers and gain a deeper insight into our place in the universe.